In this episode, a professional chef analyzes an iconic restaurant dish, outlining core techniques without exposing proprietary secrets and showing home cooks how to approach high-end plating. The chef highlights essential flavor pillars and offers practical substitutions for hard-to-source ingredients while preserving balance. Step by step, they cover precise searing temps, timing, and seasoning ladders that translate to any kitchen. Taste tweaks and plating notes keep the dish faithful yet accessible, inviting viewers to experiment confidently. The episode closes with a reflection on seasonality and service, empowering home cooks to craft restaurant quality at home.